Texas lawmakers looking to give the Texas Commission on Law Enforcement more power to police its police. We're running out of time. Our Bargaining the Badge investigative series uncovered a system in Texas that allows peace officers accused of crimes to leverage their police license to avoid prison sentences. It takes a conviction of a felony or high-level misdemeanor before the state can suspend or revoke an officer's license. Otherwise, TCOLE can't do much to get a troubled officer off the streets.
The Sunset Advisory Commission has just finished a top-to-bottom review of TCOLE and deemed the agency is toothless in regulating Texas law enforcement. The Sunset bill aimed at fixing TCOLE this session will not, at least for now, a couple of more years.
Here's KXAN investigator Jody Barr.
You can open the door or we can kick it in.
All across Texas. In hundreds of cases, Texas peace officers have committed crimes and made deals with prosecutors to avoid prison.
I'm a peace officer. Where at? El Paso Police Department.
El Paso police officer Alan Dieguez was running 100 miles an hour on I-35 in Williamson County in 2016. He caused a crash that killed another driver. He was also drunk. The grand jury indicted him on an intoxication manslaughter charge.
When prosecutors or police officers do something wrong, we need to be held to account. Otherwise, the public loses faith in everything that we do in our whole system.
Williamson County District Attorney Sean Dick's office made Dieguez a deal, surrender his TCOLE license, plead guilty, and the former police officer would avoid a potential 20-year prison sentence. Dieguez took the deal and walked away with probation and 120 days in the county jail. Prosecutors across Texas make similar deals all the time to get officers like Dieguez out of law enforcement instead of gambling on a conviction in a jury trial.
There ought to be licensing entities that can take care of these problems administratively and leave the prosecution to the prosecutors and not make us become an administrative agency to also handle those administrative consequences. But I think if TCOLE were allowed to handle those problems, you could get a lot more immediate response from law enforcement agencies, and you could really eliminate problem officers sooner, quicker, and not jeopardize cases, not jeopardize the community.
TCOLE's problem: state law allows the commission to grant peace officer licenses, but the law does not allow TCOLE to revoke or suspend licenses for any misconduct without a conviction. Representative John Syrier chairs the Sunset Commission, a commission that spent 4,000 hours investigating TCOLE. He told us in January his Sunset bill would be the fix.
We have 21 agencies that we are reviewing during the Sunset cycle. TCOLE, I'll have to say, is our most important.
But the Sunset bill, as currently written, would allow TCOLE to conduct investigations and suspend a peace officer's license only if TCOLE found an imminent threat to the public. Despite Sunset's report calling TCOLE toothless in sanctioning peace officers, the Sunset bill does not contain language allowing TCOLE to sanction licensees for less than a conviction. Even if the Sunset bill passes this session, Syrier wants a blue ribbon panel to spend even more time studying TCOLE to spell out exactly what new laws are needed.
I'm not going to use the euphemism kick the can down the road, but what do we need to wait on the Blue Ribbon Commission to do?
Syrier took tough questions about his Sunset bill during this House committee meeting earlier this month. The Blue Ribbon panel's report wouldn't be due until next summer, meaning TCOLE's regulatory hurdles would not be fixed until the 2023 legislative session.
We consider ourselves a Blue Ribbon Committee, okay? And we're hearing, and some of these people may be in the audience, they may be on the video stream, and they're hurting right now, okay? And they're hurting, so I need to be able to explain to them when is the kickoff of us having a restored TCOLE.
You know, I don't think that piece of legislation goes far enough.
Representative Vicki Goodwin is a member of that committee. Goodwin filed HB 2844 last month. If passed, it would give TCOLE the power to discipline licensees, much like other state regulatory boards handle their licensees. TCOLE would also have the authority to suspend or revoke a peace officer's license for a list of misconduct, like lying on reports and in court proceedings and patterns of excessive force, and would not require a criminal conviction.
I believe in the police. We need our law enforcement, but we need them to be behaving appropriately and serving, protecting the public. They should not be above the law.
We asked Representative Cyrier for a follow-up interview, but he told me he's not making any more public comment on this right now. Although the Sunset Bill would not give TCOLE the power it needs now, Representative Goodwin's bill and Senator Chuy Hinojosa's Senate Bill 485 would. Hinojosa's bill, though, is sitting idle in a Senate committee, but Representative Goodwin's bill is set for a hearing here this Thursday at the Capitol. We'll let you know what comes of Goodwin's TCOLE reform bill after that hearing. From the Capitol, Jody Barr, KXAN Investigates.
And you can catch up on Jody's reporting by checking out our original Bargaining the Badge investigation. We have a link in this story in the investigative section of KXAN.com.